Hey, I've been wanting to show you something. This right here is how you customize your very own RV with RV Wholesalers. Let me show you how easy this is. First of all you have to do is go to rvwholesalers.com. Super simple. Do that, and then this is your home screen. Right up here at the very top, build your RV. Click on that. Make sure you click on it. You gotta push hard enough to click on it. And then this comes up. These are your RV types. You decide what you want. If you're not sure, if you scroll down just a little bit, it's got details for each and every one of them. The fifth wheel, a toy hauler, hybrid, all of them. They're all there. I'm gonna go with the travel trailers right here. I'm gonna go with a mini light. So once you type which type you want, then the brand comes up. All kinds of brands on there. These here are the featured brands. I'm gonna go with the Rockwood mini light. And I'll be honest with you, this is the first time I've ever done this. So if it's easy for me, it's gonna be easy for you. This comes up, these are floor plans. And just to look quickly, I'm gonna pick this one over here. This one. I don't know what it is, but we'll find out together. So that comes up, and you got your options here. So you can click on your options. You can click here to get a bigger look at the stone, like the tile, or maybe the tops of the counters, and then maybe your carpet over here. So anyways, you play around, get on there and have fun and customize your RV, all kinds of stuff. You can type in heated holding tanks, very important to me, heating holding tanks. Bicycle carrier, my wife says she wants to ride bikes more. And then a wood look floor, very important for right now, what I'm thinking. Over here, you type in your full name. So I will do that, David. Look how fast I type. That was quick. I'm awful. Phone number. Don't look, I don't want you guys calling me. No offense. The reason I'm doing this is because I'll get a call on my phone with a quote. Email, I'm gonna put, text price, there's a click here button for text price instantly. That's what I clicked. And then email, I'm gonna put in tickets, select state, I'm in Ohio. Get price. So there you go, quote summary. It comes up with all the options I want. It gives me, that was fast, right there. So what I picked, we're looking at the Rockwood Mini Light with the selected options is only $23,312. Price includes discounts totaling $2,000. It's that simple. You want to get hold of them, there's the phone number to call, and you can make it happen right then and there. Again, they're not going to pressure you into anything. This is for you to check out what you want. So that's it. That's how easy it is. Thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate it. I hope you find the RV of your dreams.
Hey guys, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and our page. We have more amazing content on the way.